Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve disabled account on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve disabled account on Instagram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Instagram. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.